Hi, it's Clark Reid back with some tech headlines for you for today. If you enjoy these reports, we always appreciate it if you click the like button. And if you'd like to, you can subscribe to hit the little bell right under the video window, and you'll know when each new report comes out, generally about 3 or 4 of these a week. Well, bigger isn't always better. Bigger phone screens are great to look at, but not so fun to hold in your hand or hands, and they're heavier too. Well, Apple is doing something to make the screen a little bigger without adding size or weight, as have some other makers already. 9to5Mac.com reports the iPhone 15 Pro Max's immersive screen will have noticeably smaller bezels, the little black area that surrounds the screen and merges into the stainless steel sides. A report has bezels on the upcoming top iPhone as being the smallest of any phone made. Right now, that crown belongs to the Xiaomi 13. The top Apple handset is reportedly getting a 28% reduction in bezel thickness. I'm not going to rattle off all the millimeters for the weight and the size and the width, but suffice to say, more screen without adding weight, length, or width is a good thing. With ChatGPT and advanced artificial intelligence now writing competent college-level themes and even passing some bar exams, some academics have taken steps to keep the AI models from stealing original art made by humans. According to TechCrunch.com, a research project at the University of Chicago has released a free, non-commercial app called Glaze to combat theft of artistic IP or intellectual property that might be scraped into some big tech data batch that will teach the AI to use that creative style and mimic it, basically. The app uses a high-tech cloaking technique. The app adds an almost imperceptible perturbation or perturbations to each piece of artwork it's applied to, changes that are designed to interfere with the AI model's ability to read the data or artistic style and make it harder for the generative AI tech to mimic the style of the artwork and its artist. Instead, the systems are tricked into outputting other public styles far removed from the original artwork. It's probably just a matter of time before the AI is programmed to get around this, but it's a start at protecting the genius and work of human artists. TikTok's CEO is slated to testify before Congress on Thursday. During that appearance, CEO Chu is expected to reveal internal data that shows the platform now has 150 million U.S. users, far more than the 100 million both the app and most observers have believed has been their base up to now. Politicians from both parties are concerned the data is flowing from U.S. users through TikTok's parent ByteDance to the Chinese government. NBC says Congress members and the Biden administration, and before that, the Trump administration, worry that the Chinese government can use TikTok to influence U.S. public opinion and will use or are using the data from U.S. users for spying. Britain just joined the U.S. in demanding the app be wiped from government phones. After cutting some 18,000 staffers between November and January, Amazon's planning to lay off another 9,000, according to CNBC. In a memo citing the CEO, Andy Jassy, the round of layoffs will primarily affect AWS, Amazon Web Services, the cloud computing division, and human resources, advertising, and the Twitch live streaming business. Slashing headcount is an easy way to help the bottom line, but Jassy put it in corporate speak in the memo. The overriding tenet of our annual planning this year was to be leaner while doing so in a way that enable us to still invest robustly in key long-term customer experiences that we believe can meaningfully improve customers' lives and Amazon as a whole. Easy for a guy to say who's not getting fired himself. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.